Hello there, nice of you to join me today. I'm Sita Lakshmi and I'll be demonstrating how it's easy to build an extension using Zoho Developer Console. An extension is a packaged bundle of components that either adds new features to your Zoho CRM or integrates Zoho CRM with a third-party application. You can price the extensions you build and either share them privately or publish on the Zoho Marketplace. Over 25 million users would have access to the extensions you publish on the Marketplace. To start building an extension, all you need to do is to sign up from the Zoho Developer website, which is zoho.com/developer. Once you sign up, you will be taken to the Zoho Developer dashboard. And this is the extension module which we'll be using today. So in this video, I'm going to build an extension that adds some new features to your Zoho CRM. It's a very basic one which assigns scores to your leads based on the lead source. That way, you can prioritize the leads according to which lead source converts more than the others. So click the Create Extension and into the basic details for the extension. Wait for the unique namespace to be generated and provide a short description to your extension. And when hitting Create, your extension will now look like a blank slate which we have to fill it with components, and this is the development environment where we'll be adding those components. For this particular extension, we need to add a custom field inside leads. So that will show the lead score to you. So in the custom tab, select the leads from the list of modules and now click a new custom field. This is the list of field types where I'm going to select the integer as the field type, which will be storing the lead score because it's a numerical value. So I just give the name of my field as display score and provide a size. If you want to push the fields to other modules, click just other modules, accounts, contacts and potentials. Save it. So the visible part of my extension is done over here and it's the time to deal with backend work. In the Automate tab, click the Workflow rule. So that will calculate the score for each lead added in the system. Now select the Create rule and into the basic details that's needed. Score rule and short description if you want. And when I set the basic trigger as a record action for creating and editing the records. Next, you can specify any specific rule criteria if you want and choose whether it has to get executed when the criteria is met for first time or whenever the criteria is met. Now, the final step is to enable the instant action of this extension. So just call the custom function that will calculate the lead score based on the lead source. So let me create a custom function here with a name, score function. This is a bit of code. Deluge code you need to write for this extension. I've already populated this code in advance, but let me explain it to you. I just take the lead ID, which is unique to a particular lead. And here I'm getting the lead source for every lead. Then I've specified a simple branching condition to calculate the score as if the source is advertisement, then the score would be 10, and if it is cold call, then it's 20 and so on. Let me save and associate this custom function to the workflow rule that I've already created. Now, I'll save the workflow rule also so that the extension becomes complete. Now, you can choose test your extension so that it tells you whether your extension works as expected. So it is taken to the sandbox environment where you can go to the leads module and create or import a lead with the mandatory fields being filled up. And here, more importantly, you select the lead source which we have specified in our custom function and save the record. Now you can show the details, the record being updated with the display score value as 40. So it's done. Now it's high time to publish your extension, and for that you need to go to the extension details and click publish. Take a final look at the components of your extension, add some release notes if needed. So I just give us version 1.0 and hit confirm. And that's it. Your extension is live and kicking, and this is the URL from which this extension can be installed in any Zoho CRM account. If you're interested in listing your extension on the Zoho Marketplace, you can just click on the checkbox over here. Once it passes our review process, your extension will be visible over 25 million Zoho users. So if you want to share it privately with your customers, then hit the button private, share privately, and you can directly send an email requesting to see your extension, which is visible to 25 million Zoho users. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope it was useful and gave you ideas to build extensions for. There's so much you can do. I'm always here to help you and assist you. If you have any queries or suggestions over this video, you can reach out me at sitalakshmis@zohocorp.com. Thank you.